in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to add iCard or I button into your YouTube videos. You might have seen a kind of I button, or you might have seen YouTubers talking about I buttons that if you want to watch this video, you can click on the I button and there you'll find the video like that. So the question is how to add that iCard or the I button into your videos. Or is there any option to add multiple iCards into your videos? Yes, you can add up to not four, five iCards you can add into a video, right? You can add up to five iCards in any particular YouTube video. Now let's directly go to my YouTube channel and learn basically how this I button looks like and what are the feature of this, so that you can get a better idea about I button, and then I'll show you how to add those I button into your YouTube videos, right? Guys, as you can see, I have opened a YouTube video in my YouTube channel, and here you can see that you'll be able to see a I button kind of thing here in this. Let me make it full screen, and here you will be able to see a I button kind of thing, right? And when you click on this, you'll be able to see the videos which I have, basically not videos, I have added the playlist in this video. Basically I have added multiple playlists in the iCards of my video. So I have added 4 playlists. The first one is LinkedIn marketing, YouTube marketing, Google ads and Facebook ads. So same way you can add iCards into your YouTube videos. Even it is not compulsory to add playlists only. You can add any other channel's video, you can add your video, or you can add any other detail as well. I'll show you how to add those iCard, and whatever you want to link to that iCard, you can do it. Right now, let's directly jump into my YouTube studio, and there I'll show you how to add a I button or iCard into your video. So guys, before proceeding further, let's just understand what are the benefits or what are the key usage of that I button which can be added into your video, right? So the first one is can send viewers to another video. Yes guys, I button helps you to send your viewers to another relatable video, to another relatable topic, to another relatable playlist which you have in your YouTube channel, or if you want to send to another, you can do that as well. Then we have get more watch time. Yes guys, if you are able to engage your audience to watch second video after watching this video, they are clicking on the I button and they are watching, or they are transferring to another video, obviously it will help you to increase the watch time of your video, not video, of your YouTube channel. And the third point is satisfy viewers. Yes guys, sometimes viewers get confused, or viewers have question regarding the topic which you are explaining in that particular video. Let's say that particular video is video A. Now what you can do is, if you have created a video B where you have explained that confusion which your viewers might have, or the question which your viewers might have, so what you can do is you can link that video B into your video A using iCard or the I button, and your viewers will get transferred to that particular video by clicking on that I button. So your viewers will also get satisfied with the knowledge which you are providing, or the content which you are providing, right? So these are the key benefits, key uses of I button. Now let's directly jump into my YouTube studio and learn how to add those iCards, I buttons into our video. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in the content section of my channel, and here I do have the videos. Let's say I have this recently uploaded video, what is LinkedIn advertising. If I click on this pencil icon, and the thing is this video is totally published, right? So you can either add I buttons or iCards after publishing the video, or you can add these iCards while publishing the video, right? I've already shown you that after adding the end screen, you get the iCard options, right? Basically just below the end screen option, you will get the iCard option in the second step of your video publishing journey. Now here you just need to scroll. Once you have publish the video, you just need to scroll a little bit down here, and here you'll be again you'll be able to see the end screen, and below that here you'll be able to see the cards option. And same goes in when you choose while publishing video, you will be able to see these 3 options: subtitles, and below that you will be able to see end screen, and below end screen you will be able to see the cards option. In the second method as well. Now once you click on this pencil icon, you will be able to see a timeline. This is your whole, this is the basically the video's whole timeline from 0 second to all the way to the end of your video, right, which is around 6 minutes 9 seconds, right. Now in this timeline, wherever you want to add a card, you can add it. As you can see, I have added 4 cards, and all of these have the playlist, right. I haven't suggested my viewers any video, but if you want, you can suggest, like, you just need to take your cursor to wherever you want to add the card. Let's say I want to add my card in 22 seconds here. As you can see the timing, and once I click here, the pin will drop here. This pin kind of thing will drop here, and now you can just click on the plus cards option. Once you click here, you will be able to see the options, like you can add video, you can add playlist, you can add channel. Let's say I want to add video. I have to click on video, and here I'll be able to see video from my channel. Now if you want to add video from another's channel, so here you need to search that video, right. But if you want to add video from your own channel, so you can search here, right. These are the videos from your own channel. Let's say I want to add this one, Google shopping ads tutorial. So I've just click on this, and this card has been added here. So as I already told you, you can go up to 5 cards. So I've already added 5 cards. Now I can't add 6 cards. This button is not blinking at all, and this is showing this video can only contain up to 5 cards, right. So this is how you can done, and once you are done with your cards, you can just save it. Otherwise, let's say you want to change the location of this card, basically change the placement of this card, so you just have to drag this, and you can go to all the way to end of the video, or to all the way to first, wherever you want to place this card, you can place it and just hit the save button, and the card has been added into your video. This is how you can add multiple cards, and you can go up to 5 cards. I've already told you. I hope this video was helpful for you. You found this video very useful, and if you like this video, you can hit the subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video and the playlist with your needy friends who want to learn YouTube marketing. They can explore the channel as well, where we regularly upload videos related to digital marketing and digital skills. Now let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.